Alrighty guys, so here we go. A little bit more of the Monte Carlo build. So yesterday we took it down to the mechanic shop to replace the intake manifold. So all that's good now. Change the intake manifold and the distributor. Just with those little things being changed out, man, the car runs way better. Huge difference it made. I know it ain't pretty yet, but I'm just trying to get it all dialed in. Once it's all dialed in and pretty, cleaned and running good, I'm gonna take the time to paint, replace these parts, or probably powder coat them, paint all these, clean all this up, and get this whole bay area looking good. That's gonna be through time, guys, so bear with me. But it starts up really nice now. Check it out. Well, I took off the sucker's running good. The only thing is, I guess the carburetor's not running. It's not doing a very good job, so I gotta take it off and go get it rebuilt. I'm gonna do that today. I wanna get this thing running. Once it's running, I'm gonna take it to the, once it's running good, I think I've got about a week and a half left before I take it to the body shop for body work and paint. I'm gonna take all those parts off. We got some parts in as well. Got some new lights from, what is this? The parts place. So you can see these lights are already kind of crusty looking. They're still good, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna keep them. I ain't throwing nothing away. I learned that already. It doesn't have that nice silver little stripe. I guess those are hard to find. But this one has a black stripe, so I'm good with it. We got both of them. This one's got a big old crack in it. Water's probably getting in there, so we got both tail lights. Here, what else we get? Just a couple of bubble wrap. We got this paint to hopefully paint all our door panels, which are going to be like these parts here. You see how they're kind of scraped up. Oh, I forgot. I can't mess up those clips. Uh-oh. Oh. Well, I'm gonna have to get them now. Damn it. But this is gonna get touched up with that paint. If I can remove that surface rust, I'm gonna take some steel wool and do that myself, paint these. Damn it, I had all the clips, but they need to look like that, and they look like that, and like that, so we're gonna have to order those now. I didn't want to because it's adding up. We got the back seats at the upholstery shop. So that's what this paint's gonna be for. Hopefully it matches. That color. Let's see. Ooh, pretty close, dude. Really close. Heck yeah. And then, no, and then, so that's that. We'll go ahead and put this back in the bag. We're not gonna do these just yet. We also have this part along from G-Body Parts. Let me see if I can open this. This is what this is here. Ooh. So this is for the seat belt. Mine was broken, as you can see there, but I couldn't just get this part. I had to get the whole piece. This is to recline your seat belt. So we got that in. It's good. All the pieces are coming in one at a time. We got the frame for the license plate. I don't know. I think I'm missing something else. I don't know what else I'll need. I threw the original license plate holder on this one for the front when I first got the vehicle, because I thought it wasn't for this vehicle. I thought it was for a newer vehicle. And then after doing some research, the one I threw away was for this vehicle. So I learned not to throw them away. Anything that'll take off this car. Sweet. Got something for my keys now. We also have these parts. I believe these are gonna be the moldings. Let me open them up and show you guys what it is. These parts, I ordered them probably about 2 weeks ago, I would say. What the heck is going on? Toy Source. Perfect. This is what I need. Let's open one up. Oh, yeah. Ooh, careful now. Nice. Whew. Heck yeah. I got the inner and outer ones. Look at these bad puppies. Brand new. Let me show you guys what it's for. For at least what I think it's for. I believe these puppies are gonna go like here somewhere. Uh-oh. This might be for the, yes, these are for the inner piece. So I don't have the top door panel right now because I took it to the upholstery shop, but I remember exactly this little trim, but it goes right here. So I got this one, and then I got the one that goes out here as well. So that's good. We got those parts in. We also got the moldings for the doors, or little light cover. They also brought us the headliner, because I was going to use this one, but look at what happened. So the place that I ordered the headliner and the carpet kit is from OC Auto Carpets. I called them up. Really good customer service. The lady helped me out. Kind of went through different options of what we needed. So if you guys want something from there, they're the only ones that make it, so you don't have an option. You should take it to the upholstery shop. But I don't want to open it up just yet because it's just going to be in the way. So that's going to be for that. Everything is coming together for this build. This is what we're going to wrap that headliner with. Suede. All right, that's it. Keep you guys posted.